Business is all about investing your precious time and effort as well as money on a particular project. So, before we go for an investment, we have to think about many aspects of the business. If you are not looking into the strength, opportunity, weakness, and threat part of the business, that is known as SWOT analysis, then we will be end up in loss at any point of time during the business period. You have to see what is your strength, whether you know the area of business. That is the main thing, strength. And comes opportunity. What are the opportunity you will be having, whether the business will have enough customers, whether that market is good for your particular investment. So these all things must be very clear. Then comes weakness. Awareing about or knowing about the weakness part of the business is also very important before doing the investment. You must be aware about what are your weaknesses or where you will be facing problem. Then only you will able to correct the issue. So weakness part must be very clear. Then comes threat. What are the threats that you will be facing during your business time? So before going for any project, you have to be aware about the SWOT aspect of the business: strength, opportunity, weakness, and threat aspect of the business. Then at the same time, if you are going for a thorough understanding or analysis of the SWOT part, then definitely you will able to find your solutions to overcome each threats what you are facing in the business. If you are not aware about the opportunity, threat or strength aspect of the business, definitely what will happen is in the coming future, if any problem arises to your business, it will make you harm a lot. So be aware about your strength part, opportunity part, weakness part, and threat part before going for an investment. So this is the main important element for starting a business. Do it thoroughly. If you're going for a small investment even, you have to think about what is your strength, what is your opportunity, what is your weakness, what is your threat. When you have an understanding regarding all these aspects, definitely your business will be growing day by day. Otherwise, the just opposite will be happening. We can see many businesses starting one day and after 3 or 4 weeks, months or years, it is shutting down. It is because of maybe their weakness or maybe because of the threat what they faced in the coming days. We can't predict all the threats, but still we can find in through what all ways we will be facing the threat. Maybe social threats, maybe economic threats, maybe political threats, or maybe even socio-technological or cultural based, or any other regional, national and international level threats we will be facing during the business period. So we have to aware about the threat, then only we will able to find solutions. So I hope this video is definitely useful for a person who is going to start business in the coming days, because this is the first information that a new startup needed. Then only they will able to grow further. So do SWOT analysis of business, then only the business will be growing day by day. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you need for any other information, you can just comment me. I will try to help you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, put like button if you like the video, and we will be meeting again in another session with another important